Today is Wednesday. That means it's the day for our math exam. That means make sure your brain is on and working. If you need to take some time and wake up your brain, you know how you work with Peppy. You do it all by yourself today, okay? Because I want to give you all the time that we need for our papers, okay? So you need to wake your brain up. You do that, okay? You're going to need this paper right here, page 143 and 144, okay? Now remember, this is the day where you listen carefully and follow directions. Okay, so here we have this page here. We're going to start right here. We have 3 thermometers, okay? Now, what you're going to do, listen to what I tell you, and you are going to circle the clothes that you would wear. The clothes that you would wear for this temperature, okay? Now, since you don't quite get these temperatures, and I do, I'm going to help you. Now, the kids up in the United States, they don't get help with this. But since you're not used to using a thermometer, I will help you, okay? But you have to listen very carefully. You ready? Okay, the first picture. Okay, we have 2 sets of clothes, right? You see those clothes, okay? This temperature is if a hot day when you say, Mommy, can we go to the playa? I'm so hot. Okay, what clothes would you wear that day? Circle, would you wear this or would you wear that? Circle the one that you would wear on this day, this temperature. It's when you say, oh, Mommy, it's so hot. Can we go to the playa? Kind of like those hot days during Semana Santa. Okay, next picture. We have 2 things. One is a sweater, and one is a very heavy, heavy, heavy jacket. Okay? Now, this temperature is, if you would go sit in your refrigerator, this is the temperature for an ice cube. This is the temperature where water turns into ice cube. Okay, so if it's that cold outside, which would you wear? Would you wear a heavy jacket or would you wear a sweater? Okay, and the last one. This temperature is what it's, this one here is in your, this one's your freezer. This one's your freezer. Okay, this one is the refrigerator part where you put your milk and your eggs and cheese and that kind of stuff. That's what this one is, okay? You're sitting inside of your refrigerator. Just crawl in there. Which one of those would you wear? Which shirt would you wear? Okay? This one is the playa. This one is your freezer. What do you call that? Congelador. This one is your refrigerator. Okay, what clothes would you wear? Okay, ready? Down below. A. Here we go. A, 7 plus 4. B, 12 take away 4. C, 5 plus 4. D, 10 take away 4. E, 8 plus 4. And F, 13 take away 4. Okay, you ready? Now, here are some Christmas cookies. You like Christmas cookies? I can't eat them because of the sugar, but I do like them, and I love to make them. Okay, we have some Christmas cookies. Now, you listening? Here are the directions. Circle them in groups of 2 until you get 1 dozen. You want to circle 1 dozen cookies, but circle them in groups of 2. You want to circle 1 dozen cookies, but circle them in groups of 2. Okay? Okay. Circle 1 dozen cookies, but circle them in groups of 2. Okay, ready for the bottom part? Okay, it says Beth read 4 pages in her book before supper. She's reading her book. She read 4 pages before supper. After supper, she read 4 more pages. She read 4 pages before supper and 4 pages after supper. How many pages in her book did she read all together? Okay, so what are you going to do? You're going to make your number sentence and put your answer right there, right in that box. How many did she read all together? Put your answer there, and then you make your number sentence down there, right? Okay. Okay, this side of your paper. Okay, what do we want? We want 2 addition sentences for each one. Addition sentences, okay? Got that. Down here. Okay? It says draw hands to show the times. And remember, make sure your big hand is through the number. Make sure your little hand goes up there, right? Okay. Okay, look at this part right here. Directions. Look at them with me, please. It says count from 111 to 120. Oh, and then right here, the second part, it says color. Color the odd numbers pink, rosado, right? After you count it, then go over the odd numbers with pink Crayola or marker or something. Pink, okay? Right here, write the number. Okay, it says write the before and after numbers by 2s. See what it says there? By 2s. What number comes before? What number comes after counting by 2s? Okay, ready for the last part. You ready? It says circle the hundreds place. So circle the number here that tells me how many hundreds in each number. How many hundreds here, 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 and here. Circle the number that tells you how many hundreds you have. Okay, you got that? Think you can do that? Okay, so if you didn't get it or you forget, what do? You just go back in the tape and read it. But you don't ask your mommy how to do it because your mommy's name does not go on the paper, right? Your name is on the paper, so you don't ask. You listen carefully, and if you don't know, listen to the directions another time, okay? Have fun. Do a good job. Hopefully, by the time you do this test, I will be back from the United States. Hopefully, okay? And I will see you soon.